Hi, my name is Aubrey Kilduff. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE Healthcare, and today I'm here to talk to you about a general usage guide for the OEC Elite MiniView. First, the C-arm has a lock and a steer button in order to drive the C-arm into place. Next, you can disengage the lock to pull the C-arm out and get it ready to be used in the sterile field. The C-arm has several ranges of motion: overscan, APM lateral, underscan, as well as a rainbow lateral. The doctor has all of the buttons they will need to perform the case right at the side of the C-arm, including a smart lock that will lock the C-arm into place and prevent drift. From the monitor station, you will need to either type in your patient information via the keyboard, or if your system is connected to the work list, you can actually select scheduled, highlight your patient, and hit OK, and it'll populate all of your patient information. At this rate, you're ready to take images. The doctor again has two modes of exposure, either at the top of the C-arm or via the foot switch. At the end of the exam, you're able to go into the image directory here, select the images that you want, and you can select multiple images by pressing the control button and selecting multiple, and then you will hit DICOM storage and send. If you desire to print images, you would select the image that you want to print and then press local print right here, and the printer has a cubby on the front of the C-arm. At this stage, you would be ready to power down your system. I'm going to mention one extra feature. The storage counter here is on the left-hand monitor, and it'll let you know when you are getting close to the end of your storage capacity. At this rate, you will be able to go back into your patient demographic screen, which is this top tab, go into Resume Exam, drag your finger and highlight everything that you need to delete, press delete, and then confirm that you actually want to delete, and you will get your storage capacity back and continue with your procedures for the day. Thanks so much for joining me, and happy surgery.